kuyog tanin niyo adto tag Trader Joe's. Mag-grocery may gamay. Kuha tag grapes. $5.99. May pakwan tag $5.99 po. Kuha po tag peach. $4.99. Kuha po tag salad. Broccoli and kale. Kuha tag ground beef. $6.99. May paano to ha? Oh, gani. Baby back ribs. Sorry. Baby back ribs, $6.49. Nindot na i-bake. Kaputani. So far mo niya mong napalit. Watermelon. Baby back ribs. Ground beef. Peaches. Onions. Kale, grapes, and cucumber. Yan. Ginger cracker snaps. Paborito ni namo. Kita mi atong chocolate truffle. Wala man. Kuha po ta ng party size mini meatball. Sago sa spaghetti. Pizza. What a pizza. $5.49. Honey roasted peanuts. $3.79. Mo ni peanut butter sa unang dagan king Filipino na malitan ni. As in, mahurot-hurot ni karon ang Trader Joe's bag na pud may na trending nila karon nga dagang mamalit. Wow, so crispy garlic egg nila. Pila lang egg lang?
Oy.
Barato lang, $2.99. Palito
Should
duha?
we buy them?
Oh, nagpalit naman kukuan. Peanuts. Duha na.
Yun
Isa
na
lang.
sayang.
Uli na ito usa. Maning unsa man ni? Mochi lami ni. Isa. Cookies and cream. Wow, sarap. At card tissue for 99 cents. Unsa pa ning gipalit? Candles. Oh, nindot na. $3.99. Humot siguro kayo na.
Oh, peony.
Ano humot ta?
Usable?
Yeah, because the material, the
May among mga di pamalit.
It's good for your lunch, you know?
yeah. And you can rewash it too.
Yeah. And the size is perfect. So I like the
Ganahan mi dire mag-shop sa Trader Joe's. Kay doon lang sa amo.
It's really cute. And
It's
it's
one
not
way of
expensive,
helping
right?
the local
$2.99.
family-owned
I hope they keep it that way.
groceries. So mao ning tindahan nga ang ilahang tote bag kay nag-viral.
You want another bag?
Daghang namalit.
No, we have some in the car, so whatever
Okay, mga
will
kayo,
fit is.
quick grocery run lang ni amo ka.
You know,
Okay, we're done. We're heading out. Muna mga bag diha. Going out.
Trader Joe's cards or generic lang?
Generic lang.
Amazon
So
siguro ta?
it's a nice day. Sunny day. busy kay ilahang tindahan ay puno-puno ang parking lot.
Naman na siya following.
Oo. So we're heading to Foster City Post Office. Oh, that's a nice vintage car, huh? Okay. So we're heading to our car. This is what we bought. So ang gidala na mo ang sakyanan ni Bossing. It's like 20-year-old Toyota Highlander, and runs good, no problem. My driver. After Trader Joe's, we're going to the Foster City
Post office.
Post Office.
I mess up. I forgot to bring dito na gid ko dapit. Sorry. Can you take a picture of that one? Or maimo ra mas makuha sa imong video?
Kuhara na sa mga video.
Nice kay siya color, no? Kanang scary looking color. Technology, wala nakuan siya. Disrupt.
Oh, cute. Ang mga tao pud kay di na mamalit po cars pud kay
Work from
mahal
home.
man kayo niya work from home. Mingani ni mong sakyanan kay paid off na.
Kaayo kaya paid off nga. Ikaw, hapit na po.
Dugay na mo na paid off. Kung ako, mga 1 year na lang no, ma-paid off na.
Less
No?
than 2,000 na lang yung buta.
Oh, wow. This is going to the post office. Arriving at Foster City Post Office.
Ako po, ang tatulab sa.
So nalang may i-drop something, 2 ka-items niya sa post office.
Thank you for the moments. Thank you for